This is Lauren Miranda with the Blueprint News Network located in Downers Grove, and you're listening to Lifting Spirits. The beginning of the school year brings many opportunities for school spirit, ranging from home football games having their own dress-up themes to homecoming possessing an entire spirit week leading up to the dance. DGS offers their students multiple opportunities to showcase their spirit and make memories with their friends. However, recent years at DGS have seen record low participation in spirit events, prompting one major question: why is no one participating? One reason could be that students don't like the dress-up day themes provided by the school. The 2023 homecoming dance theme was Barbie. To accompany the theme, the school created dress-up days like Career Day, Anti-Barbie/Growfit Day, and Are You Ken Enough Day. The themes were met with a lot of confusion and overall disapproval from the student body. Some students even went as far as creating their own dress-up days in replace of the ones given by the school. Senior Hannah Galvin was one of the students who did not participate in the dress-up days.
I feel like they were a bit boring and a bit hard to dress up just because, I feel like kids in our generation aren't really interested in, these dress-up days. For example, we had, a Growfit Day or, a Career Day, and I feel like people don't dress up because they really don't know what to do or they're boring.
Galvin suggests that the school should utilize student feedback and choose trending dress-up day themes in order to help increase student participation.
I would probably have, a student survey about, I think we had one, but I feel like none of the responses were taken into consideration, and I feel like we need to just promote it more and have more, trending things, for example, trending spirit days off of TikTok or something.
The lack of school spirit is also present at home football games. Senior and student section leader Aaron Davis finds it difficult to get students to participate in the student section during games.
I think a lot of the fans feed off energy, and it's hard to get the energy going from everyone without megaphones or something. I think noise making to kind of help them stay engaged. Our voices only travel so far, so it's hard to get everybody engaged and the energy up because the freshmen kind of feed off the energy of the upperclassmen.
Many fans also leave the game early, leaving the stands virtually empty by the end of the game, and sometimes even by the end of halftime.
I feel like we always have a good turnout in the beginning. There's a lot of students there, but after the first quarter, a lot of people leave, even some seniors, and it just doesn't set a good example because at the end of the game, there's really no one in the student section. So I feel like that kind of demotes the purpose of spirit and cheering for our football players.
Davis believes the lack of students present throughout the game hinders his ability to lead the student section and negatively affects the atmosphere of the game.
When you have a full student section, the football team, when they do something well, the energy from them can feed into the section, and we can keep the team's morale up. Also, with a full section, you can have a majority of the chants sort of travel and they sound better. And with an empty student section, everyone's morality is a little low. The team's not as, pumped because we're not cheering as loud, and the chants just don't do very well with a small student section.
Galvin recognizes that good attendance at games is crucial in showcasing school spirit and intimidating the opposing team.
When you see a huge crowd, it obviously intimidates the other team that we're playing, and it also just shows how DGS in general has good spirit and sportsmanship, and it also does help out the football team a lot, I feel when they have a lot of supporters and fans.
The best parts of high school involve having fun with your peers and making lifelong memories, and participating in school spirit is a great way to experience this. DGS needs to turn their lack of participation around before the school year is over. The student body needs to collectively work together by encouraging each other to participate in spirit days and promoting attendance at games and events before it's too late. This has been Lauren Miranda with the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove, and I'll see you next time on Lifting Spirits.